Hey, my name is Lonnie Meebane. I'm from Stratford, Connecticut. Traveled out here 2 days ago to start my mentorship. Day two involved the business part. It's the organization of the business all the way around. So we had a meeting first thing in the morning. Around 7 o'clock, we was able to meet, sit down, and frame out the business, what my agenda was, what I was looking for, and how I wanted to go about doing it. Then once we put together the plan, then we came up with the ideas, we created an action plan, and then we executed the action plan. Okay, I was able to set my social media up, my booking app up, my website up, and my MailChimp up, all within 24 hours of having a system and having it in place. Oh man, this is amazing. I never thought I'd be able to do something like this. I only leave 24 hours, man. I've been for 2 days. The first day was just planning. Second day was execution. In 24 hours, I was able to execute this. Something that at home, it took me, I'm working on it for 3 months to come figure it out. Shoot, sometimes you need a person that's be able to see your vision better than you can see it. And the process of that, he's all ears, so he's listening and he's just visualizing what you're saying, and literally can finish your sentence before you finish saying it. So it's a whole lot different when it's one mind working. When he's able to get the two minds working together, and y'all both on the same plane of trying to accomplish success. This result you end up with right here, man. Cause shoot, I know people, man, at home, man, that couldn't even do this to themselves. If I paid them, it'll take them more than 24 hours to set this up. But me, as a truck driver, somebody that not even internet or social media savvy at all, able to do this right here, man, I don't believe it, man. You could never tell me that I could do this right here, which this alone, the website alone, is gonna blow their minds. But the whole infrastructure of the system, like I have, where I'm from, in Connecticut, within the 30-mile radius, after doing the research Lou told me to do, literally there's 2 barbershops in the area that actually has websites, and only one barbershop uses a booking app for scheduling. So I'm already ahead of the game already with this alone, that they're not even got this whole infrastructure built in yet. So this alone, man, is gonna blow everybody's mind. It's the professionalism. So I'm able to walk up to a customer that I probably a few weeks ago probably would never approach, but I'll be able to approach him now with a confidence of I am a professional in my craft now, compared to me just walking up to them and handing them a paper business card. Now I'm dealing with everything being digital and up to date with everything I'm operating with. So I feel very confident in going back and being able to discuss this with somebody. I feel like I can go ahead and sit down and have a Starbucks card. I can go to Starbucks and feel like I'm able to talk to somebody now, man. And I ain't like, oh man, nervous and everything like that. I feel confident in with my craft now. I feel more confident with having this stuff set up than I did with the skills I was able to possess in cutting. So really, this right here was actually what pushed me to the next level, to be able to feel like I'm a barber, not only a barber. Like basically, I feel like this right here brought back the whole idea of what a barber was back in the day. A barber was a pillar of the community. I feel like now I'm a pillar of the community. I feel confident going to a town hall meeting now, knowing that I got this right here to back up when they go pull this up. So now I feel like I'm equivalent to what my vision was for me doing this whole thing in the beginning, man. We're coming to Barber Boot Camp of mentorship program. I actually didn't even think that I was going to accomplish as much as I did because of my self-doubt I had within myself, because I didn't believe that I was technically savvy when it comes to like the whole computer thing, the whole 9 yards with social media. Able to surprise myself with everything I was able to accomplish, from building a website, being able to the steps to building it. I didn't realize that it was, I won't say it's easy, but it's the way that Lou breaks it down to you. there's no way you cannot accomplish it unless you don't want it. So being able to build a website, build out a social media fully, not just with the little things I had before with the Facebook, but build out a business Facebook, a business Instagram, and the MailChimp, and being able to send out all the ads and everything like that. Literally, I had no idea that it was this much involved in the business side of it. My self-value has skyrocketed. Like now I feel like I'm able to charge the prices that I know I'm worth now. Before I was unsure about what I should charge, and literally I was taking scraps. I was taking the low-hanging fruit because I wasn't sure that I deserved to charge a certain price. So I feel like I've been cheating myself this whole time being in the industry. 2 days into this program, we feel like Muhammad Ali coming out, knowing that I'm the greatest right now. I feel next level right now. Honestly, I have so much self-confidence right now. I'm just ready to get back home. I still got 3 more days left, man, to accomplish this. Headed into class, about to finish up the last final touches on this right here, man. The last day of training, putting everything together. Customer service, along with the skills, equal success. So walk in here, put it all together right now. Time for transformation, man. The last finished touch of the project, man. Mentorship. Time to cut the hair off, man. Get myself prepared for business, man. I'm a businessman, man. So gotta do something with the hair, man. With the business part of the course, it actually, of the mentorship program, it actually surprised me because I watch a lot of YouTube. I don't pay for other programs that supposed to teach you business stuff. So I thought in my head I'm gonna get a worksheet, maybe a couple website resources, and pretty much that was gonna be it for the business part, and that it was gonna be focused on. It wasn't gonna be so much focus on actually the inner workings of the business, like it was from understand how to advertise yourself online, breaking down and really figure out the plan on who is your target market and what how you plan to attract them, and like basically all the action steps I know now going back home to what I have to do, my little baby steps I have to take every day to get to the next level. Usually I can start when I start an idea, next thing you know my mind wanders. I was able to hone down on all my marketing strategies I had to be a barber and figure out what I needed to do right now in order to get to those other actions. So literally it was able to help me be able to figure out my next steps in this whole process. In the last few days, I was able to create a website. I was able to create it. Lou actually was right next to me and explained there how to do, and made me put it together myself so I could be able to maintain the website myself, so I didn't have to go outsource that to somebody else. Because I've been trying to build a website for 9 months, and what I couldn't do in 9 months, I was able to do, and I would have said it was 5 hours of focus time. 5 hours I was able to sign up for the website and build it from scratch in 5 hours. I was able to create an online campaign to be able to automate my business so that it's not something I have to break sleep over trying to maintain. I'm able to allow the campaign to run itself, and I'm able to gather my customer contacts to have them to be able to contact them to be able to remind them about booking their haircuts for the week and keep them informed about new specials and deals that's being ran. I was able to start a Facebook and Instagram page. I was able to create a digital business card, create a marketing plan,
figure out my target market, and able to actually transform my whole style into the barber I would like to be. I was able to learn, I was able to have a photo shoot, able to create my brand. When I get back home, I feel like I already have a job interview already lined up based upon calling in from down here. The list of jobs that I had to create and be able to contact them. I have an interview 2 days from now when I get back home. Yes, I would highly recommend the Barber Boot Camp Mentorship program if I had the opportunity to speak to somebody about it. This program actually changed my life, changed my image, changed my self-confidence that I had. I was able to change up my image to present myself to the clientele that I would like to have. My look, I was actually cut my hair. I had long braids. I actually cut my hair in the process of this right here to become the person that I need to present myself as, comes to the type of clientele that's going to pay me the money I like to be paid for the haircuts I perform.